Hi guys, recently I had a kid drive a car at the speed, suddenly press the brake to rev or drive around something. The car slowly down and the crankshaft speed does not decrease. The reason for this was this. This is the gas pedal mechanism. When we press the gas, the throttle valve is open here and air enter. And this mechanism itself, with time, he began to get hung up. That is, he can stay here in any position. And in fact, the mechanism should return to initial position and not get hung up anywhere. Therefore, we'll lubricate all this place with this. And after that, the mechanism will work correctly. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like.